Are you searching for a permanent solution to convert images to document format? Then watch the complete video. Go to Google and enter SysTools Image Converter. Clicks on the link shown over your device screen. To download the tool, click on the download button. Then install and run the software. Let's start the process. This is an interface of the software. On the right side of the panel, here are a few buttons. If you want to add a file and add a folder, here we have the Add File and Add Folder button. To remove something from your data, after importing, then click on the Remove and Remove All button. And if you want to change the order of your imported file, then select the Move Up and Move Down buttons. For the present, I am selecting Add File button. Select the image file and click on the Open button and move forward. Here files are imported. 2 radio buttons allow you to print or convert images. Click on the Change button to save the file destination. Pops-up appears. Here select the folder to save the results. Now click on the OK button. The next page will appear once you click the Next button. Here you can preview the imported images, then click on the Next button to move to the next page. Now in the Setting panel, on Export Format, select the file format to export from in a drop-down list. I am moving with the Document option. Now, Doc Setting panel, here we have 2 options. First one, Create Doc for each image. The tool will create a single doc file for each image. Create a single doc for all images. In this option, the tool will create the single file and place every image on a single page. And number of images for single page. With this option, you can choose the number of images on a single page. Moving forward, Doc Page Layout Setting. If you want to change the layout of the page, you can do it with page margins and page orientation. Now move to the Convert button. For the final results, here file starts converting. Click on the OK button. This destination path link will drop you to the location where you saved your file. Here are the resultant files.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.